Hello everyone, welcome in second scene of a girl called Manu. That lesson we had started, okay, and in our previous video we had complete our first scene, okay. So do you remember about first scene? I hope you just remember. Now in this video we are going to start our second scene, okay. Let's see what's going on or what's going in second scene. See, narrator. Here is character of narrator. Now it's turn of narrator. As a young girl, Manu has a friend and companion Nana, the son of Bajirao. Okay. Now in second scene, he means our narrator describe about her friends. Okay, her friends. So who was he? He was Nana, and Nana was son of Bajirao. Son of Bajirao. Okay, then a young girl and boy of the same age, dressed in riding gear enter. The boy is out of breath. Okay, now our narrator describe about the dress, their age. Actually they were same age. वो दोनों भी एक साथ या फिर एक सेम एज में थे. Okay, वो साथ में या फिर एक सेम एज में थे. And what was their passion? What was their passion? Horse riding. Horse riding, है ना? If you just observe, just like Ramayana, Mahabharata, so that times what was situation there? Those are king, queen, son, daughter, whatever. So they were getting a knowledge about talwarbazi, sword skill, talwarbazi, horse riding, है ना? बो शूटिंग एज एक्सेट्रा, बो शूटिंग, धनुष तीर चलाना एज एक्सेट्रा. मतलब ये सारा नॉलेज उनको दिया जाता था. सो दैट सिचुएशन इज गोइंग इन सेकंड सीन. नाउ मनु मीन्स झांसी की रानी, है ना? झांसी की रानी. नाउ मनु लाफिंग, एक्चुअली शी वाज लाफिंग, ओके, और शी वाज लाफिंग, वो हंस रही थी. नाना, यू आर ऑलरेडी ब्रीथलेस. आई वार्न यू नॉट टू चैलेंज मी, but you did. Now you know who rides faster. Okay, so that times Manu said to Nana. Who was Nana? Nana was son of Bajirao. So that times she said, Nana, I just told you, don't challenge with me. Don't challenge with me. Why? Because right now you are lost. Because right now you are lost. Okay. Now we have to discuss about why he lost and what was that and where. In horse riding, घुड़सवारी में वो हार चुका था. Who? Nana. So that's why Manu said, Nana, you are already breathless. I warn you not to challenge me, but you did. Now you know who ride faster. Now you know well about that. Who can ride faster? I am. I am means Manu. Okay. Now Nana said. After that, turn of Nana. Nana said, I know. Okay, he said. Who? Nana. Nana said, I know. Okay, what a fool I was. Okay, admiringly. Okay, he said, I know. What a fool I was. Okay, he said, what a fool I was. Manu, you really are brave. The way you lifted me on your horse when I fell, and the way you rode were remarkable. I couldn't have done that. So that time she said that, yes, you done that good job or that good work, and I couldn't that work, but you done because you are a brave. Because you are a brave. Who said? Nana. Nana said to Manu. Okay. Now here is second point of Manu. Manu said, all this is due to my father, Nana. All this is due to my father, Nana. Okay, means he just given credit to his father. Who? Manu. Manu given credit to his father. Okay. See, when he got credit from another side, when she got credit from another side, so that times what happened? She given credit her father. Okay, I think that in last sentence I just use his. Okay, so here is Manu. Manu is a girl, that's why we had to use here her. Okay, just remember. Now, so she given a credit to her father. Okay. Now, Manu said, all this is due to my father Nana. After my mother died, he took me to Bithura, where I took lesson in horse riding and warfare. Someday I shall become a soldier. So that times Manu said, when my mother died, so that times my father given that all skills, he taught me everything. And one day I want to become a soldier, और एक मुझे soldier बनना है. Who said? Manu. Manu said. Now, after that turn of Nana said, and I shall ride by your side. Remember, Manu, if you ever need me, all you have to do is call. Okay, after that Manu, Nana said, yeah, I know, I remember, yeah, मुझे पता है. And after that Nana said, in your life, whenever you require need, so that time just call me. है ना, जब कभी भी तुम्हें मेरी जरूरत पड़ेगी तब मुझे याद करो या फिर मुझे बुलाओ. Who said? Nana said to Manu. Okay, now Manu, after that turn of Manu said, I will remember Nana. मैं याद रखूंगी Nana. Manu ने कहा, I will remember Nana. Okay, now it's turn of narrator. The two part ways to go to their respective homes. Time flies. Okay, now it means what that two parts, that Manu and Nana, they go to their respective home. वो उनके घर पे चले गए. Then time flies. Time बीतता गया. Time flies. Time बहुत टाइम हो गया, गुजर गया, टाइम बीत गया. मतलब अभी देखो, कल की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं, अभी बहुत सालों के बाद की बात कर रहे हैं हम अभी. Okay, now time flies. Moropan Tambe receive a messenger who has a marriage proposal for Manu. Now, अभी मनु हमारी थोड़ी बड़ी हो गई है ना. Now, Moropan Tambe receive a message from one messenger, and that message was proposal of marriage. Proposal of marriage, or marriage proposal for Manu. Marriage proposal for Manu. Okay, मतलब मनु के लिए रिश्ता आया था. The proposal is from Gangadhar Rao of Jhansi. Manu's father agrees to the marriage proposal and is happy. He should be, for Gangadhar Rao is a good man. And when Manu's father got that message or that proposal, marriage proposal, so that time he was happy. Why? Because that proposal from Gangadhar Rao. Gangadhar Rao was king of Jhansi. Gangadhar Rao was king of Jhansi, and he was a very kind person. What can we say? That politeness king. Okay, that's why Manu's father was happy, and he think about that king, just like Gangadhar Rao. He is a good man. He is a good king. That's why he was also agree. Now here in this video we just complete second scene. Second scene you have to just remember fastly. In the second scene we had seen that Manu and Nana, they were horse riding. Okay, so that time Manu was win. And that time she said that, Nana, you know very well about that, Nana. Right now you are breathless, and right now I am win. So remember anytime, don't challenge with me. Who said? Manu said to Nana, and Nana also agree or accept that sentence. Okay, also accept that sentence. As well as Nana said that directly, whenever in future or in your life, whenever you will require need, so that time just call me. Who said? Nana said to Manu. Okay, and Manu said, yes, I will remember it. And in last second scene, Gangadhar Rao means king of Jhansi. From Gangadhar Rao, there was a marriage proposal for Manu. Okay, ये सारे बातें हमने second scene में देखे. Now let's move on third scene. Okay, so for third scene, just click on third scene. Okay, till then, see you, bye bye.